Hi everyone, I'm Julie Snyder with the Coffey Group Fine Homes International, a part of Keller Williams, and I wanted to take you on a tour of a great listing that we have today. It is a new construction home in Northport, and it is priced under $300,000. It's a great size house. It's 1,900 square feet, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This home is in the heart of Northport. It is near the Pool Today Park, which, in case you didn't know, it's home of the Atlanta Braves spring training, and near the West Villages Shopping Center, which is now going to be called Welland Park. So those are two great highlights of the location. This new home will come with a builder warranty, and it also has R5 insulation, and one super great feature that everyone should have is hurricane shutters. That is a huge cost saver with them being included in this home. So if you'd like to take a further look at it, let me share my screen and we will go ahead and show it to you. Here, and then I will click over to here. So this is just a brief video of the home, but we're going to go and take a look at the actual pictures of inside. So this is going to be the front of it. It has a plum color to it, if you notice above the garage. And then a little bit closer. And then this is just a couple more views of the front. And now we're going to come inside. And this is looking from the front door to the back, to the backyard. And so you have your sliding doors. And then you've also got nice tray ceilings with recessed LED lights. So by having that tray ceiling, that just gives you a nice open feel to the room, which is already a really, really good sized room. You've got your open concept of having your living room, dining, kitchen all in one. And this is standing at the back, kind of looking at the front door with the kitchen, and you can see how much room you have to play with as far as moving your furniture. And then we'll swing around here and kind of give you a view from the kitchen looking there. Now, what I like is this island is huge. You can easily put 4 good-sized bar stools and sit comfortably there and still have a kitchen or dining set near it, and then still have room in your living room. Now these are custom cabinets, and then you've got granite countertops, and look at the backsplash. The contrast with the cabinets and the granite is just, it's amazing. And then of course you've got your stainless steel appliances, you've got your microwave, and then dishwasher. This gives you a little bit better view of the countertop and what the granite looks like in it. And it has a very nice modern feel to it, very clean, crisp. And then of course you can add an accent color to it. And this is going to be your master bedroom. You've got the tray ceiling again to give you the added space. And then you've got the ensuite bath and double closets. So you have plenty of room for his and her stuff, or mostly her stuff, whoever has the more shoes. And then I love this bathroom. You have the double sinks, a lot of room for your towels and so forth, and then take a look at the shower. The tile work in there is just really, really unique. So here's a little bit closer view of it. So you've almost got an accent wall in the shower. And we'll come around here. Now this is the second bathroom, and this has more of a stone look to the shower. And then the nice cabinet. And then this is going to be your second bedroom. And again, good closet space. And then we come into the backyard. Now the back is not screened in, but you could always screen that in. And if you notice, your neighbors have a pool, so you could take a look at possibly putting an in-ground pool. There's plenty of room for a swing set, for barbecue, trampoline, anything fun you can have all in this backyard. It's just got a great space to it. You've got some nice shade from the trees. And then it kind of jumps around a little bit. We're back into the third bedroom. And then the laundry room. And you've got a nice space in there, and then you have a sink in there, which is a great feature. And then a full 2-car garage, which everybody needs more storage space. So you can get it with this, and then it has a door that goes out to the side of the house. And then here's another angle back to outside. And as you can see, like I said, you've got the great shade from the trees. And then this home, there's no one to the left of it right now. So you do have a little bit of privacy. And this just gives you a nice angle of how nice the size of the lot is and the neighborhood. There's another view of that. So if this home interests you at all, again, this is 4783 ELDRON Avenue in Northport. And if you would like to see that or any of our other homes, you can call our office at 941-404-4737. You can look at our website at brandycoffey.com, or you can call me directly at 941-232-9478. And thanks for taking this tour with me. Hope you guys are staying safe and look forward to talking to you soon.